Hey, this is Art with AutoTex Wiper Solutions. Going to tell you all about the M5 wiper blade. Our M5 wiper is an all-steel constructed blade with riveted joints, has 100% natural compression molded rubber, and is designed specifically for each length wiper. It's going to fit your small and large hook arms, which measure 9x3 and 9x4 millimeters, both sides pins and bayonets. You're going to find this most common just about any other wiper in the market. It's used on cars, trucks, school buses, RVs, boats, you name it, you've probably seen this wiper on it. We offer it in a few different pack sizes and styles. We offer the retail pack as well as our Pro Packs. All right, they'll come in a clear bag with a hang tab and boxes of 10 or 50. All right, so they are great for anyone maintaining a fleet. Does not need to present this to be resold. It is the great user product. M5 windshield wipers are the best opening price point blade in the market, hands down. Thanks for checking out the AutoTex M5 wiper. Find us at www.autotexwipers.com. We have all of your wiper solutions.